Hey, what is up friends? My name is Eric, and in today's tutorial I will show you how to add echo or reverb to any piece of audio within Premiere Pro. Let's get started. All right, before we continue here, make sure that you like the video and get subscribed if you haven't already, and then ensure that you have your audio set up in Premiere Pro. Then go ahead and cut out the part of the audio that you want the reverb added to. So I have a test clip here, and I want to add reverb to this part of the clip here. So let's hear that back without reverb. 3. So I want the 3 to echo or reverb. So I've got that piece out there. Next up, we're going to nest the piece of audio that we want echo on or reverb on, and we'll get back to why in a second here. So right click and nest. Name it whatever you like. I'm just going to leave it as it is. Now, next part is to go to the effects tab, type in reverb, and add studio reverb to this part of the audio that you want the echo effect on. On the studio reverb custom setup, click on edit and choose one of the presets if you'd like, or go ahead and mess around with the decay setting yourself if that's what you choose to do. If you set it to 10,000 ms, that's the most reverb you can add. So I'm just going to do that and exit out of it. Now, what's happened is this part of the audio will have the reverb added to it. So let's hear this whole audio clip back real quick. Testing, 1, 2, 3. And then you're going to hear kind of cuts off here. And we don't want that. We want it to continue echoing and reverbing. And this is where the nesting comes in. So let's all go over to the project page here and head over to the nested sequence. We can see that the part of the audio that we nested and cut out is still here. So let's duplicate it and add it to a new audio channel, which we're going to mute. And we can essentially either, if it's a longer piece of audio, we can extend it, or we can just keep duplicating it and adding it to the muted channel. Essentially, why we want to do this is to extend the length of the nest without affecting the area of the audio that we wish to have reverb on. So let's hear back this part of the audio again. 3. As you can see, we've extended the section of the audio that we want reverb on and allowed it to kind of echo for a little while longer. But yeah, that's it for this tutorial. Hope you enjoyed it. Leave a like, leave a comment, and get subscribed if you haven't already. And I shall see you in the next video. Bye bye.